Hello guys and welcome back to another video. This video will be for beginners who are starting to play X-Plane Mobile. In this video I will give you a short overview about the whole X-Plane Mobile app. To start, you can see there are 4 overpoints. If we click on Flight School, you can see there are some missions which you can do for landing Cessna, taking off, traffic patterns and so on. Those lessons will help you to control the most aircrafts as good as needed. The next point is about challenges. That's a little bit similar to flight school, but if you already made all flight school lessons, you can continue here by challenging yourself. And now we get to the most important point, which is free flight. If you click on free flight, you can see you can choose all airplanes if you have the subscription, which includes every plane. You can see there's a Cessna 172, Cirrusjet and so on. If you choose the plane which you want to fly, just click on the right icon next to the plane, the mountains, and then you can choose where you want to depart from. Here you can just search an airport like Frankfurt, for example. And when you search that airport, you can click Start New Route. If you would click Add to Route, you would add it to a route which is from the airport you have chosen before. Just click on Start New Route, and then if you click on the Edit Start Type, you can see if you are spawned on a runway. You can choose the runway there. And if you want to spawn in the approach, in the VFR approach or the IFR approach. If you want to spawn at ramp, you can click on ramp and then choose your gate if you know it already, or if you just want to search a gate which is close to your departure runway, just go on the map and there you can also choose your ramp position. We can save that one, for example. Here you can also swipe out from the map and there you can see the whole world map, but this has to load because you have to remember the scenery of every airport has to be downloaded first when you enter the game. If you choose your airport, you can click on the next button. Those are the weather settings. Here you have 2 overpoints again, basic and advanced. If you want to control the weather basically, you can change clouds, without clouds, or just all over clouds. You can change the winds until stormy, and the precipitation you can also change. So if it should rain, for example. If this isn't enough for you, you can also click on advanced, and there you have the possibility to change a lot more. The top cloud height, the top cloud thickness and so on. Also you have the possibility to set thermals, turbulences or stormness. Once you've done that, you can click on the next button. There you can set the time, as you can see. And on the next button you can choose if something could fail when you're flying or if something is already failed. So you can simulate emergencies. You can also set all to working, as you can see on the bottom. We won't fly now. That will be in the next part when I show you how to create flight plans. In this part I will also show you the last overpoint. This is multiplayer. You can click on that and also nearly can do the same like in free flight. You can't change the weather and the time here, but the other things you can change. Important to mention is that you can only fly with 1 person in the multiplayer, so it's just available for 2 players at the same time. That will be changed soon because the global multiplayer beta is already in progress. And I forgot something. As you can see, there are some setting wheels in the right corner just above the tick. If you click on that, you can set your payload, your fuel and center of gravity. And you can also choose if you will start with the engines running or not. Okay guys, that was my first beginner tutorial for X-Plane Mobile. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, feel free to give me a thumbs up and see you in the next video.